So welcome to channel Sanjeev070. So in this video we are basically going to have a type of statistics that we are going to use in our DS project. So basically what happens is we mainly use three type of model building by using statistics, and apart in statistics we mainly use two kinds of approach to maintain our model and to describe what the user wants, that is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So descriptive statistics is nothing but which involves directly the complex calculations of algebra and linear equations that you may have studied in your earlier classes, and I suppose everyone has an aware over what it's going to say. That's linear equations algebra, and this linear equations algebra is nothing but a combination of differential equation, linear equations, one variable, two variables, etc., just solving x and y problems. And algebra is nothing but solving user's problem based upon the real-time condition apart from very-time situations. So basically the descriptive part includes, as I mentioned, linear equations and algebra. It involves substantially solving above calculus part, differential part, and a part of quadratic equations too. What happens is when you grow enough to have a picture over it, then you can use descriptive statistics. Now coming back to inferential statistics. Inferential statistics is something which is used when you want to take inference from something, and when we want to use it in a way as it is a data is printed. So we use mainly inferential statistics just to justify ourselves from the scenarios exactly as it's been replicated. So it's nothing but it's the essence of set model that we are going to use in program, including the real-time PO equations, partial order equations, differential order problems, and it also includes probability, comma, ML maths part, straight lines equation, so these kind of approaches are basically used for inferential stats. So this is nothing but we basically use here a text area which is completely involved in algebra, and this involves is okay. Let me explain to you in detail. So it mainly involves the straight lines equation part, comma, identical stats, and little of measurement of central tendency. So I hope through this video you have a better understanding over descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So if you like the video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you really like the content that I put, and it's a kind of consistent efforts that we have in our day-to-day channel, and hope this hits you. And if you want any kind of such approaches video, then surely ping me on my LinkedIn, and we'll have a kind of video for you for in that. Thanks for watching. Let's meet on next video.